Unit 3. Things I can do. Let's talk. Listen and say.
What's wrong, Andy?
I can't find my book.
Is it in your desk?
I don't know. Oh, here it is. I can see it. It's under my chair. Thanks, Mom.
Language focus. What's wrong?
I can't find my book. Cannot. Can't.
Watch the video.
Oh, where is it?
What's wrong, Andy?
I can't find my book. It isn't on my bed.
Oh, Andy. Is it in your desk?
I don't know. I can't find it. Do you see my book?
Is it under your desk?
Oh, here it is. I can see it. It's under my chair. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Listen and sing. What's wrong?
What's wrong, Andy?
I can't find my book.
What's wrong, Andy?
I can't find my book. I can't hear the teacher. I can't reach the bookshelf. I can't find my pencil. I can't see the board.
Oh, Andy. He can't hear the teacher. He can't reach the bookshelf. He can't find his pencil. He can't see the board.
Say and act. Ask your friend.
Let's learn. Learn the words. Number 1.
Ride a pony.
Number 2.
Play the piano.
Number 3.
Do a magic trick.
Number 4.
Play hopscotch.
Number 5.
Play with a yo-yo.
Number 6.
Do a cartwheel.
Number 7.
Do a somersault.
Number 8.
Jump rope.
Make sentences.
Look at him. He can do a magic trick.
Look at her. She can do a magic trick.
Number 1.
Look at him. He can do a magic trick.
Number 2.
Look at her. She can play the piano.
Number 3.
Look at her. She can do a somersault.
Number 4.
Look at him. He can do a cartwheel.
Listen and chant.
Look at him. He can do a magic trick. Look at her. She can play the piano. Look at her. She can do a somersault. Look at him. He can do a cartwheel.
Ask and answer. Number 1.
What can she do?
She can jump rope.
Number 2.
What can he do?
He can play with a yo-yo.
Number 3.
What can he do?
He can ride a pony.
Number 4.
What can she do?
She can play hopscotch.
Listen and chant.
Look at me! I can climb a tree. Look at me! Look at me!
Look at him! He can swim! Look at him! He can swim!
Look at me! I can climb a tree. Look at me! Look at me!
Look at her! She can run! Look at her! She can run!
Look at me! I can climb a tree. Look at me! Look at me!
Let's learn more. Learn the words. Number 1.
Dance.
Number 2.
Swim.
Number 3.
Run.
Number 4.
Sing.
Number 5.
Skip.
Number 6.
Read.
Number 7.
Paint.
Number 8.
Color.
Make sentences.
They can read.
Number 1.
They can read.
Number 2.
They can paint.
Number 3.
They can color.
Listen and chant.
They can read. They can paint. They can color.
Ask your partner.
Can they skip?
Yes, they can. No, they can't.
Number 1.
Can they run?
Yes, they can.
Number 2.
Can they read?
No, they can't.
Number 3.
Can they skip?
Yes, they can.
Number 4.
Can they sing?
No, they can't.
Number 5.
Can they paint?
Yes, they can.
Number 6.
Can they swim?
No, they can't.
Number 7.
Can they draw?
Yes, they can.
Number 8.
Can they dance?
Yes, they can.
Let's read. Listen, point, and say.
L, L, long, little, like. R, R, run, race, ride.
Listen and do. Number 1.
Play baseball.
Number 2.
Ride a bicycle.
Number 3.
Use chopsticks.
Number 4.
Speak English.
Listen, point, and chant. The LR phonics chant.
The lion runs like the rabbit. He loves to race at night. Lions really love to run and stop at the red light.
The lion runs like the rabbit. He loves to race at night. Lions really love to run and stop at the red light.
The lion runs like the rabbit. He loves to race at night. Lions really love to run and stop at the red light.
The lion runs like the rabbit. He loves to race at night. Lions really love to run and stop at the red light.
Listen and read along. Me too. 1,
I like to ride bicycles. Me too. Let's ride.
2,
I can jump. I like long jump ropes. Me too. Let's jump.
3,
I like little yo-yos. Me too. Let's play. Oops.
4,
Look at me. I can run. Me too. Let's race.
Educational disclaimer. This video is an independent supplemental resource designed for educational purposes. Let's Go To is a registered trademark of Oxford University Press. This content is not affiliated with, sponsored by, or endorsed by the original publishers. All excerpts and curriculum references are used under fair use guidelines for the purpose of educational instruction. Please use this video alongside your official textbook for the best learning results.